Most people think AI gets better when prompts get smarter, but that is not true. The real difference comes from structure, not from clever wording alone. If your workflow has no system, your results will always feel random. That is why many people keep using AI but never really improve. They are testing prompts, not building a reliable process. AI does not need more guessing, it needs a clear operating structure. Once you remove guesswork, the output becomes far more consistent. This is the real difference between casual users and advanced users. They do not depend on inspiration, they depend on repeatable systems. And that changes the quality of results almost immediately. A simple AI system can eliminate most of the confusion very fast. It does not require technical skills, it requires clarity and discipline. When you apply the system, AI stops behaving like random assistants. It starts behaving like a tool that executes your exact direction. That is where real productivity starts to appear. This system is based on 5 simple elements that work together. Each element removes one layer of uncertainty from your workflow. Each element reduces unnecessary thinking before the task even starts. And together they turn AI into a much more predictable tool. This is how you create consistency instead of chaos. The first element is context, and it defines the working environment. You tell AI what situation it is operating inside from the start. Without context, AI fills missing gaps using generic assumptions. That is where weak and inconsistent results usually begin. Strong context reduces confusion before output is even generated. The second element is objective, and it must be precise. You define exactly what result you want from that interaction. Not a vague idea, but a clear and narrow target. If the objective is blurry, the output will also be blurry. Precision here creates direction and reduces wasted iterations. The third element is constraints, and this is where control grows. You tell AI what it should avoid, limit, or exclude. Without constraints, AI expands the answer in too many directions. That creates more reading, more choice, and more mental load. Constraints cut noise and force the output to stay focused. The fourth element is process, and it guides execution step by step. You tell AI how to approach the task, not just what to do. This reduces randomness because the model follows a defined path. Instead of improvising, it works inside a clear sequence. That is what makes results easier to repeat and improve. The fifth element is output format, and it shapes the response. You define exactly how the final answer should be delivered. It can be a list, steps, bullets, table, or short summary. Without format, AI changes style and structure every single time. With format, the result becomes stable and easier to reuse. When you combine these 5 elements, everything starts to change. AI is no longer guessing what you mean behind your request. It is executing a system that already removes most uncertainty. That means less thinking during the task and more control overall. This is the shift most people never make. Most users keep chasing better prompts, hoping results will improve. But better prompts cannot fix a broken process underneath. You cannot solve randomness by adding even more randomness. You need a structure that removes confusion before execution starts. That is the real advantage professionals get from AI tools. Let's make this practical with one simple example. Imagine you want AI to write a YouTube video outline. If you ask for an outline without structure, results will vary wildly. Sometimes it will be generic, sometimes too long, sometimes too weak. That is exactly what most people experience every day. Now apply the system in a simple and direct way. Context: this is for a faceless educational YouTube channel. Objective: create a strong 7-point outline for one long video. Constraints: keep it practical, clear, and avoid generic filler. Process: start with hook, then problem, then solution, then takeaway. Finally, define the output format before AI begins the task. Ask for 7 numbered points, with 1 sentence under each. Now the model is not improvising, it is following direction. This is why the result becomes cleaner and easier to use. You remove guesswork before the answer is even generated. That is the reason this system saves time in the real world. It does not save time because AI becomes magically smarter. It saves time because you reduce corrections, choices, and confusion. You spend less energy fixing messy answers after they appear. And that is what makes the workflow truly more efficient. AI does not automatically create clarity. It amplifies your structure. If your structure is weak, your output will stay weak too. If your structure is strong, your output becomes more precise. The tool is not the real advantage, the system is. And once you understand this, your results start to change fast.